On Sofia's table there is a folded note. Who left it? It is 9 in the morning. Sofia walks into her usual café.
Good morning, Diego.
Hi, Sofia. Your table is free.
Sofia works very close to here. She comes to this café every day. Sofia sits down by the window. On the table there is a small white paper.
What is this? I didn't leave anything here.
The note is folded in half. Sofia picks up the note carefully.
Who is it for?
There is no name on the outside.
How strange. Who left it on my table?
Sofia looks around. Sofia loves a good mystery. The cafe smells like warm bread. There are few people at this hour.
All right. I'm going to open it. Do I open it or not?
Sofia looks at the note for a moment. Her heart beats a little faster.
Okay. I'm going to read it.
Carefully, she opens the paper. Sofia opens the note slowly. Inside there is only one sentence.
Let's see, what does it say?
Sofia reads in a low voice.
I'll wait for you at 6. Don't be late.
The note has no name.
Who is waiting for me?
Sofia reads the note again.
I'll wait for you at 6. But, who left it here?
Sofia doesn't understand.
Is it for me? Or for another person?
The note was on her table.
I think it's for me.
Sofia puts the note in her bag.
I'm going to solve this mystery.
Sofia thinks about her friends.
Was it Carlos? No, Carlos is traveling. Was it my sister? She never leaves notes.
The mystery grows.
At 6. Today at 6?
Sofia looks at her watch. It's 9.
I have all day to think.
But the question doesn't go away.
Who is waiting for me?
Sofia looks at the other tables.
Is someone watching me?
Nobody looks at her. Everyone drinks their coffee.
I need help. Diego works here every day. Maybe Diego saw something.
Sofia gets up and goes to the counter. Diego is cleaning some cups.
Diego, did you leave this note?
A note? It wasn't me. But wait, let me think. Your table was busy before.
Who sat there?
A woman. She came very early.
Sofia listens carefully.
Tell me more, please. What did the woman look like?
Tall, with a blue coat. She smiled a lot.
A tall woman? Do I know her?
Sofia tries to remember.
The woman ordered a tea. Then she wrote something on a paper.
The note. And then?
Then she left, very fast.
Sofia is surprised.
Did she say anything else? A name?
She only said, it's a surprise.
A surprise? For me?
Sofia's heart beats faster. Sofia and Diego look for more clues.
Look, she left something on the chair.
What is it?
Another small paper.
Sofia takes it quickly. Diego gives the second paper to Sofia.
Here is one word, square. I'll wait for you in the square, at 6.
Now Sofia knows where to go. At 6, Sofia goes to the square.
Here I am. Who is waiting for me?
Then, someone walks toward her. The square is full of golden light.
I'm nervous.
Sofia looks all around.
What if nobody comes?
Sofia waits by the fountain.
I'll wait for you at 6. And it's 6 now.
People pass by, but nobody stops.
Just a little more.
Sofia doesn't leave. Sofia remembers the mysterious note.
Who left that note for me?
So many questions, no answers.
Soon I will know.
Suddenly, footsteps come closer.
Hello?
A tall woman, in a blue coat, smiles.
That smile. I know it.
Sofia's heart jumps. The woman walks slowly towards Sofia.
The blue coat, the smile.
The sun lights up her face.
It can't be.
The woman stops in front of Sofia.
Wait, is it really you?
Sofia opens her eyes wide. Her heart beats very hard.
Sofia, it's me, Marta.
Marta. My best friend from school.
The two friends hug.
I haven't seen you in 5 years.
That's why I left the note. I wanted a surprise.
And what a surprise.
Sofia laughs and cries a little.
I missed you so much. I arrived in the city this morning. I went to your favorite cafe and left the note.
Diego helped me find you.
Thank you, Diego.
Why didn't you call me?
A mysterious note is more fun.
You're right. I barely slept.
The two laugh together.
That was the idea. Now I live here, near your house.
Really? How wonderful.
We can see each other every week.
The mystery brought back an old friend.
Let's get a coffee. My treat.
Perfect. And you tell me everything.
Sofia found much more than a note. She found a friend from the past. The two walked together, happy. Sometimes, a small mystery brings a big joy.
And you? Would you like to get a note like this? Tell me below.